Hello, my wonderful learners. You're welcome to yet another chemistry series with Mr. Philip Mamman. Today on chemistry, we'll be looking at a very important topic, element and symbols. Yes, element and symbols is very important at this foundation level for my learners. So I'm sure you have your pens and paper and you're ready to take note on today's lesson. If you are, can you come with me? What is an element? We'll be defining what an element is. An element is a substance that cannot be further broken down or split into simpler substances by any known chemical reaction, method, or means. Examples of elements include carbon, helium, hydrogen, silver, aluminium, copper, gold, just to mention but a few. Now, I'm sure you must have come across elements before now. There are about 118 elements that are known, and all these elements have different properties. Out of these elements, only 94 are naturally occurring elements. And like I said, only 94 occur naturally. Others are prepared artificially. An example, an element is composed of atoms of the same kind. Take note, an element is composed of atoms of the same kind. My wonderful student, I'm sure that you are enjoying this lesson already. If you are, follow me as we'll be looking at what a symbol is. I know must have come across different type of symbols, but in chemistry, the symbol of an element is one or two letter notation that is used for denoting the chemical element. Like I said, in chemistry, the symbol of an element is a one or two letter notation that is used for denoting the chemical element. These letters are derived from one of the following. The first way of deriving the symbol of an element is usually from the first alphabet in the name of that element in capital letter form. It's written in capital letter form or uppercase as the case may be. Example of such element is hydrogen capital letter H, boron capital letter B, carbon capital letter C, nitrogen capital letter N. Now the other category is elements, the first alphabet in the name of the element in capital letter form and any other alphabet that is conspicuous in a small letter form. And that's why you have elements like helium, capital letter H, small letter E, lithium, capital letter L, small letter I, beryllium, capital letter B, small letter E, neon, capital letter N, small letter E, aluminium, capital letter A, small letter L, silicon, capital letter S, small letter I. Now, element symbols can also be derived from their Latin name. Yes, elements have Latin names, and that's why you have elements like potassium. The Latin name of potassium is kalium, and that's why the symbol of potassium is K. Anytime you see a K in chemical symbol, you know we are talking about potassium. Yes, other symbols are derived from the Latin name of the element, the first letter in the Latin name of the element, and any other letter that is conspicuous. And that's why we have sodium. The Latin name of sodium is natrium, and that's why sodium is capital letter N, small letter A. The Latin name of iron is ferrum, and that's why the symbol of iron is capital letter F, small letter E. The Latin name of copper is cuprum. That's why the symbol of copper is capital letter C, small letter U. The Latin name of silver is argentum, and that's why the symbol of silver is capital letter A, small letter G. My wonderful student, now we are going to be looking at the first 30 elements, their symbols, atomic number, and atomic masses. As you can see, we have hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus. After phosphorus, we have sulfur. After your sulfur, we have chlorine. After your chlorine, we have argon. We have potassium. We have calcium. And then, of course, we have scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. My wonderful student, I'm going to be teaching us a song that we can use to memorize the symbol of these elements. It comes handy when you're asked to write the symbols of the first 30 elements. If you're ready with me, I'm ready to go with you. The song goes like this. Hello, Helen, little broken bottle can never overflow neon. Naturally, may all silly persons suffer crime against King Calcium. School teachers vacate classroom. Many fail courses nickel, copper, and zinc. I'll take the song again. Hello, Helen. Little broken bottle can never overflow neon. Naturally, may all silly persons suffer crime against calcium. Calcium. School teachers vacate classroom. Many fail courses, copper, nickel, and zinc. My wonderful student, I'm sure you will be able to remember this when it comes in your examination. It will come handy. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Check me on my YouTube channel, Philip Mamman, and you can get me on 08026598861.